Hey everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. It is current Faves and Nays time. I'm super excited to be filming today. I don't have a ton of products, but the products that I do have, I really want to talk to you guys about them. And then I do have two nays that I also want to share with you. So I'm just going to get right into it. I hope you guys are enjoying my background. It's, slowly but surely I'm getting my apartment together and I feel like I got a good little vibe going. So let me know what you guys think down below. The little moon shelf is from Urban Outfitters, and actually this little shelf is from Urban Outfitters too. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So the first thing that I want to talk about, this was a gift from my sister for my birthday, but this is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. I have been wanting a new contour, I don't want a new contour palette, but I've been wanting a new contour shade. I just feel like the contour products that I have been using, they were just making my face look really muddy and just not like flawless. So I wanted to switch up my face makeup and I really wanted this. I wanted to try it out. I love Too Faced products and I'm in love with this light contour shade. Like this is the perfect contour color for me. I can also use the medium one and it looks really pretty, but by far this is my favorite. I have a little demo. You can see how it applies. It's just so smooth. It's not muddy. It's not patchy. It's amazing. Like I feel like all of Too Faced matte products blend like a dream. And I don't know if I'm crazy. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but I really do enjoy their matte shadows and also their matte face products. This is just a great freaking contour. But I wanted to ask you guys, is this like something that is sold individually, or is this like one of their other contour shades and they just put it in a palette, you know what I mean? Because for me, I don't use like pressed powders, and this one I'm definitely not gonna use. I mean, I can see myself using the contour shades, even this dark one maybe, but like this half of the palette, it's just gonna go nowhere for me. Like I'm never gonna use them. So I'm wondering if Too Faced sells any of these individually, and that way I can just buy that next time and not have to buy the whole palette. Overall, honestly, like if I had to repurchase the palette, I would, just for these contour shades, and especially the light contour. I love it so much and I feel like my contour looks good. You know, nothing dry, nothing patchy or anything like that. Let's move on. Let's just move on to the blush. So Rimmel sent me their Maxi blushes and I used one on my face today, and it's this one. This is not my favorite, but I'm gonna show you anyway. It's called Third Base. It's more of like a peachy pink, and I felt like it went well. I felt like it went well with this look, so that's why I used this one today. But I feel like when I was applying this on my face, like it took a lot. Like I was going in with my brush and I was applying it to my face, and it's so subtle. Like I don't even know if you guys will be able to see it. So I don't know what's going on with this one, but the one that works super well and that I love is the one in Sweet Cheeks. It's a peachy blush, and this is more what I lean towards, but today I went with that pinky look, so I wanted something a little more pinky. But this is like a good everyday blush. I've been using it every day for work and it looks really pretty. It's not like super pigmented where like you can apply too much. Like no, you can build these up for a nice amount of color, or if you want something subtle, this is great too. And it's matte, but it's not drying and like gross matte. I just hit myself in the face. But it's a really pretty color. I'm so white, oh my god. Such a pretty color. It works well with my fair skin, and I imagine this would look great on tan skin too. You just might have to build it up a little bit more. But overall, this is such a good formula. I don't know what's going on with this one, maybe because this one has shimmer in it, but the matte one, great. I really recommend this product. I think you guys should try it out. I don't know how much they cost, but I imagine they're not expensive. On the same topic as Rimmel, I might as well go ahead and talk about the nays in this video. They also sent me their mascaras, and one is the Scandalized Wow Wings and the other one is the Wonderfully Real Mascara. Both of I feel like these are the exact same mascara. Like both of them are just so wet, and I would apply them to my lashes and I would literally only have like 3 thick lashes, and it was not attractive at all, and it didn't even make my lashes long. It's not like I had 3 long lashes. They were just short and thick, and I'm like, oh, I do not like it. And literally both of them are the same exact thing. Like they both did the same thing, so I don't recommend these. If you like really wet mascaras, these might work for you, but for me, not at all. Let's move on. Let's, go on a little bit of a lighter note right now. I found another highlighter that I'm in love with. Like I literally thought I would never find a beautiful highlighter like the Anastasia Amrezi highlighter. I was like, that's just gonna be my favorite forever. But I bought some products off of Colourpop and I was like, let me try this highlighter out. And it's in Dreamscape. I need to put it in like a Z palette or something because right now I just have it in this plastic thing. But this is the perfect, like for me, I think this is a neutral highlighter. I don't know what you guys think. But it's just so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. I have it on my face today. I think it's just a good neutral highlighter. It's a beautiful finish. It's not glittery. It's not chunky. It looks super, like I can wear this to work and people aren't like, oh my God, you have like highlighter all over your face. Like it's not like that at all. It looks, you can do a very light layer for a more natural look, or you can go a little crazy, have a nice banging highlighter. You know what I mean? But I do love this freaking highlighter and I'm so happy that I found it. I might try out some other highlighters from Colourpop. I like want their, what's the new eyeshadow palette that they just came out with? It's like that watermelon theme. I think it's like their birthday edition, but I am ready to buy a new highlighter. I'm ready to buy that eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want a haul, let me know. But yeah, I love this highlighter and I feel like this would work on all skin tones because it's neutral. It's not too bright or anything like that. Try it out, so freaking good. I've been using the CYO Lifeproof Long Lasting Foundation in 102. I was using the Revlon Photo Ready like anti-pollution foundation and I still love that one, but now I've been using this guy and I love it. I have very dry skin. This does not accentuate my dry patches or anything else. It just looks so nice and smooth. It doesn't look cakey. Have it on today. I used to use 101 and that was a bit light, so now that they came out with 102, I'm like loving it. And like I said, I have dry skin and this just gives me like a little bit of a dew. Like I'm never too dry. It gives just a really pretty overall look. I feel like if you have very oily skin, this might be a little too like dewy for you. Like this might last for a couple hours, but as far as like going the whole day for somebody with oily skin, like I wouldn't do it. If you have dry skin though, all day, this is beautiful. I wear it to work every day for 9 hours. I get home and my makeup still looks good. Like I'm going out after, like I don't have to touch up at all. But yeah, really enjoy this foundation. Super inexpensive. I get mine at Walgreens and I can't put it down. I want to go back to my Revlon because I know I love that, but I'm like, no, this one just looks so good. Let's see what we have next. I'm gonna do a quick skincare thing and then I'll go back into the makeup. This is by Dermae. It is their Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. Oh my God. Guys, if you want your face to just feel so fresh, so clean, so cooling, you have to try this out. I'm gonna do it tonight once I take off all my makeup. This just makes you feel like you just had a facial, that you went somewhere and they just did this like crazy facial on you for hours. Like my skin feels so nice after I'm done using this. So cooling, so clean, so energized. Oh my God, and the exfoliating is really nice. It's not too intense, but it's not like super, you know, soft either. Like I hate exfoliators that are like, you feel nothing, you know what I mean? But this is like the perfect medium. Oh my God, you guys should try it out. It feels so good. It says, this gentle exfoliant helps to lift away pollutants and impurities, promoting a fresh and healthy radiance. Completely agree with that. Like this is just, it's so freaking good. I love it. So I highly recommend it. If you guys are looking for a new exfoliator that's not too rough, oh my God. And like I said, your skin will feel so nice. Oh my God, I love it. Let me tell you guys about my eyeshadow combo. I know that was like, there's no transition there, but whatever. This is my favorite eyeshadow combo. This is like my go-to. This is the Natasha Denona Sunsets Mini Sunset Palette. I'm so upset because I dropped it and some of the shades are broken. But anytime I want to go out or even for a natural look, I'll use this palette. I'll usually use this as my blending shade, my crease shade, and then one of these on the lid. But I always have to have my Too Faced Natural Matte Palette handy because if I need another shade to blend out, I have some medium shades here. If I need another darker shade, I got my dark shades. And then of course I use Heaven for my highlighter and to blend out all of my other eyeshadow. Oh my god, these two palettes together, I can get any look. I can get a like going out look, an everyday look, a natural look, any type of look. I have it with these two palettes. So I wanted to just share that with you guys. The last product that I have, and I'm so sad because I'm pretty sure Soap & Glory discontinued this. As you guys can tell, I'm super fair, and when I go out and I want to wear like something sleeveless or like shorts, I need to just get some color in my skin. And not even that, like even if I wanted to go outside and tan, I do not tan. I just get red and then I go back to being white. So I found this Soap & Glory Sun-Kissed Tint Body Lotion, and this is great because I mix it in with lotion and it gives me a beautiful, beautiful color. And it's no streak, and it says it on here, no streak, long wear, and that is completely true. I don't have streaks, and this lasts all night. When I come home, I wash it off and then it's off, you know what I mean? I don't have to scrub it or anything like that. It's just the best self tanner, and it doesn't smell, it doesn't feel weird. It's just a really, really nice product, and it's such a beautiful color. Now, I will typically mix it in with my lotion, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just showing you. And I feel like this doesn't look that good, but it just gives a really, really nice color. And I don't know if you can tell, but maybe because I only did it on one part of my arm, but it gives a beautiful, beautiful color. That might have been such a waste, but whatever. You do have to wash your hands right after because as you can see, my hands are orange. But when you mix it with your lotion, it gives a beautiful color. It does not look fake at all. For all you white girls out there like me, this is a great, great self tanner. Soap & Glory, I don't know why you discontinued it, but it's really nice. It's convenient because you put it on with your lotion, and then at night when you're done hanging out with your friends or whatever, you just wash it off and then you go to bed, you know? And it doesn't stain my clothes. Like, I've never had it on my clothes ever, which I don't know if it says that, but it does not. It has never stained my clothes, thank God. So yeah, love this self tanner. Super upset that they're discontinuing it, but what are we gonna do? Alright, so that's it for my current faves and nays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked it, and I also want to know what your current faves and nays are. So leave them down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys have any video requests, and that's all I gotta say. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.